This is Priti Agarwal from It's Your Mojo, and we are very excited to see you at the online It's Your Mojo Intercultural Celebration for Children.
I will be your yoga teacher. During your sessions with me, you can expect to explore the body. So we will be using elements of fun. We will be having lots of fun as we explore different movements that will help stretch and open our bodies.
What we're going to work on is a simple script and simple techniques for creating beautiful pictures yourselves with a Halloween theme. So where we've got the picture done with simple techniques and the script is also done with simple techniques, so that you can add extra colour and design into what you've learnt.
Hi there, if you want to learn how to sound like a London West End performer, singing songs like Let It Go, or Waving Through a Window, or It's Better Than Popular, then join my classes. I can also help you sound like a UK pop star just by using your face to create different sounds.